All right, cool. Thanks, Abe. So I'll just wrap up. This is very quick, not really any serious content here. Just to give you a recap of what we did today, we basically covered two major topics. We started with Chipyard, basically a way to get us a full set of IP to build complex SoCs. We talked about adding custom accelerators, how to simulate stuff, and then we talked about how to push it through our VLSI flow. And then the afternoon here, we talked about FireSim, how to do these full system FPGA accelerated simulations, how to run Linux-based software workloads very quickly on these sorts of things, how to debug these things, as well as meta simulation and local FPGA support. So we invite you to join the community. Chipyard and FireSim are used in industry and academia, but all of our development is open source, happens on GitHub. You can watch it on the fly. The main branch is basically active development, so it can be unstable at any given time. We make tagged releases. So for example, Chipyard 1.9 and FireSim 1.16 were released a few days ago. And these are the releases that you should use to kind of build any work on top of these or use these in your own work. We manage subprojects using submodules, and there's tons and tons of documentation. So if something isn't clear in the documentation, we assume it's our fault and we fix the documentation so that people don't have the same problem again. So if you have problems with the documentation, we appreciate feedback on it, and we'd like to make it better and better. Of course, we appreciate feedback on all of the stuff here, and we appreciate PRs even more because then we don't have to do the work to apply the feedback. So again, thank you for attending. Before I let you go, I just want to point out one more event. So we have the FireSim and Chipyard workshop tomorrow. This is the first one we've ever run. This basically has a bunch of talks from users not from Berkeley that have used FireSim and Chipyard in various different ways or contributed to the internals of FireSim and Chipyard. So we'll have talks tomorrow from 10 speakers who've used or contributed to FireSim and Chipyard from 12 different institutions. So you can find this again on Whova for the conference or directly at that link, fires.im/workshop2023. Okay, I'll leave you on this slide here with a bunch of links to all of the stuff you need to get started with either of these tools. And we like to ask that you fill out this tutorial feedback form. It's just a simple Google form. You can fill out as much or as little as you want. And you can optionally put your email. You don't have to, but you can put your email if you also want us to contact you about the feedback or you have more things to say. So please fill that out. It helps us improve these tutorials a lot. We're constantly trying to add features, trying to understand what we should improve about it. So again, thanks for your attention. Thanks to all of my co-presenters. And we're happy to answer any questions now, or you can come up to us. We'll be here for a while. And also you can come up and check out the demo. So thanks for attending, and thanks for a great day.